Itua ria kanjo ya kuramata githomo kia university guku bururi-ini ria kuhinga honge 10 cia university ya Kisii rirari igutha inene hari university ino. No riu university ino ina gitumi gia kuhumuka thutha wa kanjo ino kumihe ihinda ria mwaka umwe ikorwo ikigathika mitaratara iria yagiriire kugacirithia githomo.
The governing council will within the next 14 days develop a measurable 12 months roadmap. They will also be required to submit quarterly reports both to the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology and to the Commission for University Education.
Hamwe na uguo, Minister wa Githomo ni amurite kamiti ya athomi atatu aria megutara na guteithiriria university no kugathika mitaratara iyo.
And they will work with them both on the roadmap towards turning around and addressing some of the issues that have been raised, and then support them to work towards compliance.
Kamiti ino igukoro na Professor Crispus Kiambi ari muikariri giti, Professor George Makuha na Professor Patricia Mbote. Thegia wa kanjo ino kuoneka tayari geria itua riayo, Minister wa Githomo akiaria ena ururu muingi ni augite ati thirikari ndegwitikiria gikiro gia githomo kia iguru kunjuguo.
Where hard decisions have to be made, they will be made. It's either quality or you quit the sector.
Matiang'i ni arutite mukana kuri mashukuru maria matahingitie mawatho akiuga ati ona mo ni megukinyukirio ikinya. Hamwe na maundu maria university ino ya Kisii igukorwo ikirora ni kumurika ringi mitaratara ya wandikani wa arimu na aruti angi a wira, kwagirithia ihotithia cia githomo ta library na kugathika kanjo cia urugamiriri thiini wa honge ici. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Monica Kagoni.